What's up? What's going on, peeps? Chill Wheel 704 Racing checking in, and finally the wait is over. It's hot out here. I'm up here at my man's shop, LSX Tuning and Performance, picking the car up. So the rebuild is complete, finished. Give y'all a chance to check her out. I had a chance to get her and clean it up for a couple of days and bring her back because she's real dirty. So got the footage on that coming out too. So look for that on the first clean on the ZL1 after a rebuild. So I had to pick up, clean her up, bring her back, and he just finished up with the this morning when it was a little cooler, still hot, with the final dyno pull. So give y'all a chance to first time see what she sounds like.